Aiutami fratello.
Good morning, welcome back to Romania. Today we're gonna start off the day making some palinka. We're gonna show you guys how they do it around here. Palinka, it's firewater, or if you're American, moonshine. It's a national drink and it's quite strong. Let's see how they make this stuff around here. So how's this made is you got the plums over here. They've got these pans. They put the plums in the pans. It evaporates. This is a barrier with cold water. Comes fresh from the spring over there, so it keeps it nice and fresh. Condensate comes in the form of vodka. Then they take the vodka, put it in a different pan. Same process. Goes through the barrier of cold water. Condensates. And then you've got the palinka, and that's how you make it. So I've just been offered a glass of palinka. No, thank you. Okay, norok. It's very, very strong. It's good. Thank you. Mulțumesc. Nice palinka?
Very nice. You drink them in the morning and you always get drunk.
It's too strong.
Very strong, but and they make it from plums.
Yeah. That's the plums. Mum's making friends as well. Doggy, doggy. No muska. No muska. No muska. So we just drove 200 kilometers south to a town called Turda, and we came to see one of the oldest salt mines in the world. It dates back to the Middle Ages. It started around 1271, the salt mines until 1932. After that, they just made this cheese storage unit and then bomb shelter during World War II. So let's check this place out.
And the entrance to the mine, it only costs 30 lei, which is about $7.50.
Even the walls, this is salt. It is?
I can testify it is. The most incredible thing about this is that this was all carved by hand.
The whole mine. And look the size of this. So they just started way back in 1271, digging, and voila, they found this lake. They reached the end and they just turned this into a really nice tourist attraction. I got that on camera. Annabella doing Annabella things.
Yeah, could you scream again?
Go on. So we just stopped at this random town going for lunch. Salt mines was pretty cool. Even my shirt has a bit of salt
Stains.
yeah. Anyway, let's eat something. Okay, so we just ordered a kebab.
Wow, look at that, Annabella.
You were saying you were hungry, so happy? Oh man, it's proper freezing, but we made it on top of the mountain. Did you guys recognize those images? No? Didn't you? Let me give you guys a clue. Watch this.
That's the most amazing road I've ever seen. This is the Transfagarasan Highway. Looks like every great corner from every great racetrack in the world has been knitted together to create one unbroken grey ribbon of automotive perfection. This is the best road in the world!
We can't disagree, can we? Masterpiece of a... Look at that. That's right, Top Gear were here a few years ago doing an epic show. I remember seeing that on TV. I remember seeing one day I need to drive on that road and we accomplished that. We're just going to another viewpoint. There's a cool little lake just over here. Let me show you. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't feel my hands, man. Look. So Christiana, she was dying for pizza, and that's what we came for. Pizza night. Oh yeah, look at this baby. Everyone's having pizza, 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 and we are in an Irish pub. We are into Brazov. Brazov.
See you guys later, we're gonna have to eat now. Bye!
So we've just checked into our apartment. We are in Brazov. I just messed up. I booked apartments as well in the city, but I didn't have any money on my card, so when we arrived to the hotel they had already cancelled the reservation and we had to book another one at 10 o'clock in the night. But we managed to find a very nice decent place. Have a look. Kitchen. Mom is making the coffee, American style. How are you getting along with that?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah, kitchen. We have some ursus. And this is the bedroom. 2 beds. Showing the room for the night. We've got TV and bathroom with washing machine, toilets and a good shower. And you know this guy? Well, if you're watching this you already know it's your own train. Anyway, we're gonna finish the video over here. Tomorrow we're going to Brand Castle in, well, it's near Brazov, and we're gonna see some Draculas hopefully. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.